For those looking to breathe new life into their aging MacBook Air, this Touch ID-compatible logic board replacement might be the answer. Specifically designed for the 13-inch MacBook Air models from mid-2013 through 2017, EMC 2632, 2925, and 3178. This board offers a straightforward path to repair or upgrade. The UECM logic board comes with an Intel Core i5 processor and offers options for either 4GB or 8GB of RAM, catering to different performance needs. Compatibility with logic board models 820-00165 and 820-3437 ensures a proper fit and function within the specified MacBook Air models. One of the highlights is its user-friendly design, which aims to simplify the installation process. While replacing a logic board isn't a task for the faint of heart, the design attempts to make it as accessible as possible for those with some technical experience. The promise of restoring full functionality to a beloved MacBook Air is a strong selling point, allowing users to continue using their machines for everyday tasks without the expense of buying a new laptop. It's important to note that while the product description emphasizes easy installation, any logic board replacement requires careful handling and a good understanding of computer hardware. If you're not comfortable with disassembling and reassembling delicate electronics, seeking professional assistance is always recommended. Overall, this UECM logic board presents a viable solution for reviving a compatible MacBook Air. The availability of different RAM configurations and the focus on user-friendliness make an attractive option for those looking to extend the lifespan of their existing hardware. Just be sure to approach the installation with caution or consult a professional to ensure a successful outcome.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.